Welcome to our YouTube video on how to copy the link of an Instagram video. If you're looking to share a video from Instagram with your friends or save it for later, we've got you covered. Here's how you can easily copy the link of any Instagram video on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Navigate to the video you want to copy the link from and tap on it to open the video in full screen. Next, look for the send arrow icon at the bottom of the video. Tap on it to bring up the options for sharing the video. Now, tap on the copy link icon that appears at the bottom of the screen. This will copy the link of the Instagram video to your device's clipboard. And that's it. You've successfully copied the link of the Instagram video. You can now paste the link wherever you'd like to share it, whether it's in a message to a friend, on social media, or in a note to save for later. Thank you for watching our video on how to copy the link of an Instagram video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.